Hi guys, I'm Ayush and today we are going to do question number 16 to 20 of exercise 13.2 RD class 10th. So let us read the question number 16 first, what it says. Question number 16 is saying that a minute hand of a clock 10 centimeter long. So we need to find the area of the face of the clock described by the minute hand between 8 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. So here is the solution of this question. So we know that from 8 to 8:25, 25 minutes will be covered, and by a simple unitary method, as we have applied in the last question, in the last video, if you have seen that. So let me just tell you verbally here, like a minute hand covers the whole circle. A minute hand makes a whole circle in 1 hour. Okay, so we can say that in 60 minutes, which is also called 1 hour, a minute hand covers 360 degree, means a complete circle. So in 60 minutes 360 degree, this means that it covers 6 degrees in just 1 minute. And if it covers 6 degree in 1 minute, then it will cover 25 into 6 degrees in 25 minutes, which will be 150 degree. So now we are having theta and radius, and we just need to find out the value of sector, means how much area the minute hand has described in those 25 minutes. So here, by putting the values of pi as 3.14 as it's mentioned in the question only, so we can't put as 22/7, that's why I have crossed that. So by just putting the values of r and theta, we shall find out the area swept by that minute hand in 25 minutes, which will come out to be 130.9 centimeters square. This is all for question number 16, and now we shall read question number 17. In the question number 17, we are given that a sector of 56 degree cut out from a circle contains area of 4.4 centimeters square. Then we need to find the area, radius of circle here. So we were provided with theta and area. As we know, the formula of area is pi r square theta upon 360, and the only term missing here is r. So this means that we can find out the value of radius from here by just putting it equal to the 4.4 as given in the question. We can just cancel out the terms and calculate the value of r, which will come out to be 3 from here. 3 centimeters is the value of radius. Now the question number 18. The question number 18 is saying that the area of a sector of central angle, okay, 200 degrees of a circle 7 centimeters square. Basically, this is saying that the area of sector whose theta is 200 degree is 7 centimeters square, and we need to find the length of corresponding arc. That's okay. So we have done it here. Like we were given the value of theta, and we also know that the formula for calculating sector is pi r square theta upon 360. So as we were asked to calculate the length of arc, so this is the formula of length of arc, but here we are not having all the you can say requirements needed for solving this. We are having theta, okay, but we are not having r. So for r, we will find it out from here by putting pi r square theta upon 360 equal to 7 centimeters. We will simply find the value of r as 21 centimeters. So by putting r as 21 in this formula, we will find out the value of l as 220 upon 3 centimeters square. Okay, here is the completion of 18th question. Now we will see the 19th question. Here is the question. This is saying that the length of a minute hand of a clock is 5 centimeter, okay, and we need to find the area swept by the minute hand during the time period of 6:05 to 6:40. We have already done a question of this type earlier, and this will require the same method as we have done earlier. We first calculate the time, how much the minute hand has swept, which is 35 minutes. And as we knew that minute hand sweeps 6 degrees in 1 minute, so we can calculate how much degrees it has swept. So this will come out to be 210 degrees, and by just putting this value in the formula of area, which is pi r square theta upon 360, we can simply find out the value of area swept, which will come out to be 275 upon 6 centimeters square. This is all for question 19th, and now we shall read question number 20th. Let's see what it's saying. And this is saying that the length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter, and we need to find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. This is just similar to the earlier we have to the questions we have done earlier. Okay, so here it's solution. Yeah, radius is 14 centimeter, and as we know the angle which will angle will be calculated by the minutes into 6, as as the minute hand sweeps 6 degrees in 1 minute, so it will be 30 degree. And so now by putting the value of theta in this formula of the sector, which is pi r square upon 3 pi r square theta upon 360, we can simply find out the value of area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, which will come out to be 154 upon 3 centimeters, and we can also write it as 51.3 centimeters square. So guys, this is all for today's video. We shall meet in next video now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and